Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can schedule a meeting on the Upwork. So the very first thing that you have to do is go ahead and open your Upwork application or the website. Now, once you're in here, just go to the messages and open the message that you're going to be setting the schedule of the meeting. So go ahead and open it. And once you open it, you will see a calendar beside the video call icon. So click on that one, and in here you will have to share your availability in here. So you will have to set your time zone, and in here you just have to toggle on all the available dates for you or the day for you. So once you're done with that, just go ahead and tap on next. And once you tap on next, you can choose the meeting duration. So you can choose 15, 30 minutes, 45, and 60 minutes. It depends on you. So you can also edit that one manually. And once you're done, just go ahead and tap on send. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!